Hey guys, and welcome back to another Pixel Smp. And today we're at Spawn to do a level 30 enchant. And when we do that enchant, after we do the enchant, we're gonna, does anyone see that? We're gonna go to like our house area and build our house. So I saw it. Let's see what we get. God, that's so bad. Why do we keep getting it? Well, I don't understand. I really don't. I'm gonna run out of diamonds eventually. It's kind of sad, but whatever. Okay, let's go back home. So, what I want to talk about is that, I'm gonna be recording with people more on this series because right now I haven't recorded with anyone. And, I downloaded Sony Vegas Pro. And, I'm gonna be using that to edit, but right now I'm so bad at it, I have no idea how to use it. But anyways, yeah, I got that. I'm gonna be getting new recording software. I'm not sure if I'm gonna get it with this computer or my new one because right now, like you can see, my FPS is a bit choppy. I need a new mic. My mic quality isn't that great. This recording software isn't terrible except it puts a thing in the middle of your screen. So like where my cursor or where my whatever this I don't even know hitbox whatever this crosshair is. It's like it says like something for you guys. Like it says something. It says the name of the recording software I use, and that's kind of annoying. But the quality is not terrible. I could boost it up like as high as I wanted to, like 60 FPS and all that. But my computer can't handle that right now. So once I get my new computer, hopefully it can, and yeah, hopefully it'll be better then. I'm thinking. Yeah. So I got a bunch of building materials to build the house. By the way, I got this and this on camera, but I forgot. You know what? I'm gonna kill you. What I get? Sugar. I got that off camera. I had it on camera, but I accidentally deleted it. I smacked my mic. I accidentally deleted it on accident because I'm still like this recording software isn't that great, like I said, but it's getting better. I'm learning to use it more. I need to upload a couple of videos. This is episode 2. Episode 1 hasn't even aired yet. Like I haven't even uploaded it yet because I was trying to upload it. It got to 85% and it just stopped working. I don't know why. I don't know what happened, but yeah, it just stopped. That's gonna sound a bit. Yeah, it just stopped. So just grab some building blocks. Grab some of this. Okay, start building. Get rid of water, shovel, keep the axe, quartz, andesite, cobble, and diorite. No, andesite. Okay, so how do we want to build this? We need stone and quartz. I'm cooking stone in here. 58 stone. Should be plenty for what we need. If I want to get one more. Okay, so now we have that. Keep that. I'm a pretty bad builder, so don't hate on me. I'm messing up. I don't know what I'm doing. Okay, there we go. Okay, so we got all these blocks. So I'm thinking about building right here-ish. So here are all this stuff. And I'm not sure, there might be background music in this. I'm gonna try my hardest to find some uncopyrighted music and somehow put it in the video. I think it seems a little nicer, you know. I'll put it pretty quiet, but I'm probably not gonna. It's gonna. Yeah. If I do that, it's gonna be pretty hard for me to do that. If my mic is kind of quiet for some reason, I don't know why. But yeah. Okay, so let's start building. Okay. How do I want to do this? Okay. How I want. Okay, let's start. So. 1, 2, 3. 6 gonna be the door area. 2, 3, 4. Okay, so we got that. This. I want to go 5. I want to go switch to polish this. Get some andesite. I'm gonna go with andesite. I don't know. A diorite maybe? How does that look? How does granite look? Do I have granite? I'm pretty sure I have plenty. Ooh, maybe? How about wood? Let's go with that. Okay, so eventually this isn't gonna be there, so it's gonna go 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10. And we're gonna go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Ooh, stone brick right there. Should we go 9? 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I cry every single time. Let's do that. 5. Okay, that's fine. So we're gonna skip around to here, here. Ooh, we're gonna have to. Nah, no, I kind of have an idea of what I want to do with the fun. Not fall in it. That's a start. Not fall in it. Let's get that back. Looks decent. I'm gonna go. Do I have any dirt on me? Much. Let's do that. This back. We're gonna go. That. And then we're gonna go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That's good. We're gonna put that there. That. Sure, that's 5. It is. Let's go about here. Let's put down some more diorite. That looks decent. Decent. How are we gonna do this? We're gonna do a layer of stone brick like that. We're gonna put some more diorite. Okay, let's bring this up a bit. Right here, we're gonna put some diorite. We'll do it like something like this. I think that's pretty cool. And then some diorite right here, and then another stone brick. Yeah, I like that. So we get our food. We don't really need yeah, I like that. I could dig it, and we're gonna get rid of this. Let's do the same right in the front. We'll go diorite, stone brick, diorite, stone brick, diorite, stone brick, diorite, stone brick. Door right there. Figure what door we want later. Diorite, stone brick, stone brick. Let's do the same right here. I think it's gonna look really cool actually. Oh no. Okay, so let's go stone brick, stone brick, stone brick, stone brick. Can't do it on this side. Back with diorite. Looks pretty good, I think. It looks decent. Oh, what we'll do is we'll get rid of the middle. Get rid of those two and get rid of those two. Put stone brick there. I think that looks pretty cool. I like it. We're gonna put some stone brick there. Put some diorite up here and on here. So we're gonna put some How's it go? How's it go? How's it go? Goes diorite, stone brick, diorite, stone brick, diorite, and then stone brick. Or no? Oh no, on this side. My bad. I'm failing pretty intense. Okay, so right here we have diorite. I'm getting diorite, diorite, that, diorite, stone brick. There we go. So, and then on this side it goes brick, diorite. And then right here we're gonna go with some of that. Like this. That. Looks pretty cool. I like it. Run over here. Do that. That. Oh wait, nope. That. And then right here we're gonna do that pattern again. Once we move all these chests. Wait, what? Okay, that should be there. And this should be stone brick. This should be stone brick. That's gonna be okay. Do I have any more diorite? Yeah, we have plenty. Let's put some stone brick on us. And then we're gonna go bang. Do that. That looks pretty good, I'd say. Okay, run over here. Okay, that looks pretty solid. Yeah, starting to come along. So then we can go one more up. Okay, diorite, brick. And then go like that. And brick, that. Okay, on this side, brick, that. Okay, can't go there. Okay, some of that. Wait, no. Yeah, so this house seems to be coming along pretty good. If you guys think it's alright, leave a like or a comment. Not a like. If you like the video, like it. If you like the house, leave a comment saying if you do and if I should do anything better with it. Because right now I think it looks pretty cool. I kind of like it for myself. So we're gonna go one more layer up, and we're gonna build the roof. Okay, so now let's put there. This full, that full. Okay. I don't know if we're gonna have enough actually. Nope. Brick. Oh my god. Oh my. I'm messing up pretty hard. Wait, what? Pretty sure since... Okay, maybe this is... Oh, this isn't supposed to be here. Yeah. Okay, that's good. Just put this. That. At the end of this episode, we're going to hop in a call with my friend T-Dot. And I'm going to see if he could show me around his house and stuff. And then that's going to wrap up the episode. Yep, didn't pay attention. Wow, I failed pretty hard. Trees. No, I mean diorite. I mean. Okay, so let's see what we did wrong. This. Messed up right there. Do that. Get some of that. Get diorite. Oh no. Just get diorite. And then we're gonna have a little doorway back to the farm, so don't worry. It looks kind of bad right now, but it'll look better. That there. Yeah. So, what I'm gonna do is, this is gonna be the part that's gonna be on the video. I'm gonna finish the rest off camera sometime soon, and I'm gonna go hop in a call with my friend T-Dot, and that's gonna wrap up the episode. So, yeah, be right back.